Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dust collectors that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a woodworker, a DIY enthusiast, or even a nail technician, I'll help you find the perfect option for your needs. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Gooksaku 200 Sheets Nail Dust Collector Filter. This is our budget option. And while it may not be a traditional dust collector, it's a great disposable solution for nail salons and personal nail care. The package includes 200 filter sheets, making it a convenient and affordable option for quick replacements. Made from high-quality compound PP filter paper, these sheets are designed to be soft yet effective at capturing fine nail dust. The design is straightforward. These circular filters have a diameter of 7.87 inches, and are compatible with most round nail dust collector machines. While it's not a motorized collector, it does its job well when paired with the right equipment. However, at just 1.0 stars from one customer review, it's clear that user satisfaction may depend heavily on specific use cases. This filter is ideal for nail technicians who need to maintain a clean workspace without breaking the bank. The main drawback: it's not a complete dust collection system, meaning it's only suitable for those who already own nail dust collection machines. But if you're looking for a low-cost, disposable solution, this is a great first step. Coming in at number 4 is the DeWalt Dust Separator with a 6-gallon poly tank. Known for its high efficiency, this cyclone-style dust collector captures up to 99.5% of dust before it reaches your vacuum filter. It's a solid mid-range option for those who want reliable performance without making a large investment. With its sturdy design and premium materials, it's built to last, even in demanding workshop environments. The 6-gallon capacity offers plenty of room for debris, and the 4-caster base ensures stability and mobility. Its compatibility with 1 7/8 and 2.5-inch vacuum ports means it can work seamlessly with most shop vacuums. Customers love its ability to handle a variety of materials, from wood chips to concrete dust, making it versatile for all sorts of tasks. However, some assembly is required, and it's not the most portable option compared to smaller units. Overall, the DeWalt Dust Separator is a fantastic choice for DIYers and professionals alike. While it's not as powerful as a full dust collection system, its cyclone technology makes it an excellent companion for shop vacuums. Pros include its durability and efficiency, but the need for assembly and its size may deter those looking for a plug-and-play solution. At number 3, we have the Dustopper Pro, a low-profile dust separator designed for shop vacuums. This product is perfect for those who want an affordable yet highly effective way to keep their vacuum filters from clogging. It captures over 99.9% of typical shop dust before it even reaches your vacuum, saving you money on filters and prolonging the life of your equipment. The Dustopper Pro is incredibly easy to use and install. It fits standard 5-gallon buckets, and the included high-flow 90-degree sweep elbows ensure optimal dust collection without compromising airflow. Made from durable anti-static resin, it's tough enough for heavy-duty jobs, and its clear top lets you see the dust in action. Whether you're dealing with wood shavings, small metal debris, or even liquids, this dust separator is versatile and efficient. This product is ideal for small workshops or home DIYers who want a compact and efficient dust management solution. The only downside is that it requires a separate shop vacuum to function, so it's not an all-in-one system. However, for the price and the performance, the Dustopper Pro is hard to beat. Our runner-up at number 2 is the woodworking dust collector, a highly portable and versatile option for woodworkers. With a 5.7 amp motor and a 12-gallon collection bag, this dust collector moves up to 660 cubic feet of air per minute, making it a powerful solution for small to medium-sized workshops. Its compact design, equipped with lockable swivel casters and an onboard carrying handle, makes it easy to move around or mount on a wall for space-saving convenience. One of its standout features is the 5-micron zippered collection bag, which effectively traps fine dust particles. The 4-inch dust port is compatible with most woodworking tools, and the included 2-year warranty offers peace of mind. While it doesn't have the raw power of larger, more expensive units, it's more than capable of handling the dust produced by table saws, routers, and other tools. This dust collector strikes a great balance between performance and portability. It's perfect for hobbyists and professionals who need a reliable yet affordable option. The main con is its slightly lower air circulation compared to larger systems, but for most home workshops, it's more than sufficient. Finally, at number 1, we have the Wen DC1300 1300 CFM dust collector. If you're looking for the ultimate dust collection system, this is it. Powered by a 14-amp motor, this beast circulates an impressive 1,300 cubic feet of air per minute. With its dual 4-inch air inlets, you can connect it to 2 tools at once, making it perfect for professional workshops. The 50-gallon vertical collection bag ensures you won't need to empty it frequently, even during heavy use. Its 10-inch steel impeller is a standout feature, providing powerful suction while maintaining reliability. The mobile base with swivel casters makes it easy to move around your workshop, despite its hefty 86.8-pound weight. It's designed to handle large-scale dust collection effortlessly, making it a fantastic choice for serious woodworkers and contractors. The only downside is its price. At $312.82, it's the most expensive option on this list. But for the performance, capacity, and build quality, it's worth every penny. If you need a heavy-duty dust collector that can handle just about anything, the Wen DC1300 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.